Here I have LG G7 Fit, and today I'm going to show you how to set this device up. So firstly, you should select preferred language. I'll just stay with English. You can also adjust accessibility settings here. So basically, then you tap on this arrow key. Now you can select home screen type, like select how the new second screen will look like in LG apps. Okay, you can select this. I don't know, I like this one more. Then you can insert SIM card, but if you don't have it on, you can just skip this step and do this later. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but you can also just skip this step and do this later. Then you have to set up date and time. Then you have these Google services which you can turn off. Tap accept. Then you can set up a fingerprint, but you can also just do this later in settings. Then you have to agree with this. You have to choose a region you'll use this device. So you select either this one or other. So if you're like from Europe, you select this one, or if you're like from somewhere else, you select other. Something like that. Okay, let's suppose that we are all in Europe. Tap next. Then you don't really have to agree. Okay, so you have to agree with these required things like this one, and you're done. And device is all set up. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.